Hello friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. It is solution of challenging math question class, question 73. Here we have a question. S is equal to square root of 1 plus 1 over square, 1 square plus 1 over 2 square plus square root of 1 plus 1 over 2 square plus 1 over 3 square plus and so on square root of 1 plus 1 over n square plus 1 over n plus 1 whole square. Then find 101 over 100 into S. Now we want to find this value 101 over S over 100 multiplied by S. We want to find the value of this expression. Solution. We now can write a square root of 1 plus 1 over n square plus 1 over n plus 1 whole square. It is the general term of this summation. It is equal to, we take common denominator inside the root, we can write n square into n plus 1 whole square multiplied by 1 n square plus n square into n plus 1 whole square. N square, it is common denominator, n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by n square by n square cancel, then n plus 1 whole square plus n square. Now it is equal to this n square into n plus 1 whole square cancelled by square root of square root, then we get n into n plus 1. Here we have the square root of n into n plus 1 whole square plus n square plus 2n plus 1 plus n square. It is equal to square root of n square plus n whole square plus n is 2 n to n square plus n plus 1 over n to n plus 1. Now it is equal to n into n plus 1 whole square root of n square plus n plus 1 whole square. It has the complete root, perfect root. It has perfect square root, these things here. Then it is equal to n square plus n plus 1 over n into n plus 1. Now we write separately n square plus n over n into n plus 1 plus 1 over n into n plus 1. It is equal to 1 over, it is equal to 1 plus 1 over n into n plus 1. It is equal to 1 plus 1 over n minus 1 over n plus 1. Actually, S is equal to, it is general term n minus 1 over n plus 1. Now if n is equal to, we can write 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 over minus 1 over 2 1 over 2. When n is equal to 1. If n is equal to 2, then plus 1 plus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3. If n is equal to 3, then we get plus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4 plus and so on. Plus 1 over 100 minus 1 over 100. Here we can write 1 plus 1 over 100 minus 1 over 101. It is equal to 1. Here we have 1, 1, 1, 1. How many times? 100 times. Then we can write 100 plus 1 minus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4 plus and so on plus minus 1 over plus 1 over 100 minus 1 over 101. These cancelled, also this cancelled, this also cancelled. 100 by minus 1 over 100 also cancelled. Here we have minus 1 over 100 by 1 over 100 cancelled. Then we get 101 minus 1 over 101. Here we simplify this expression. We get 101 whole square minus 1 over 101. It is equal to 10 201 minus 1 over 101. It is equal to 1200 and over 101. Now we want to find the value of this expression. 101 over 100 into s is equal to 101 over 100 into, instead of s we can write 10,200 over 101. These two cancel. 2 0 by 2 0. These two also cancel. Then 101 over 100 into s is equal to 102. 102 is the answer. It was the solution of this question. Thank you.